Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat-nav in this Landrover Defender, and it's the Pioneer AVIC system. So we'll just wait for it to come on. So it's saying ready there. If I click the menu button here, then I go over to Navi. I have to click OK to say yes, I'm not going to be distracted. Again, it's loading up, taking its time. So there you go, that's the screen that comes up. You'll see here there's like 5 lines. Click on there, looks like a stack of coins. New route, click on new route. Address, town or postcode. And then we P with Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, Higher Walton, Preston PR. Now we need to go to, how's that actually pressed? Sorry, P. Oh, my useless fingers here. We now need to go to numbers, so that's 1, 2, 3 here, click on that. 5, space, 4, E, A. And then that's it, PR54EA, that's it there. So we have to agree that's correct, click on that. Go to town, United Kingdom, town or postcode, go. Select as destination. Now planning the route, start navigation. That's it. That's how you do it.